Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a haul video. So it's been some time that I have gone and shopped. So recently I went and bought myself a few things which I would love to show to you guys. So if you guys would like to see what I've bought for myself, please keep watching. So the first thing what I got is from the brand Clinique. It's the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, which looks like this. So I've been using this for quite some time and I must say I've been really loving it. If you guys would like to see a review on any of these products, please let me know. I would love to do it. So I've been using the Body Shop Chamomile Cleansing Oil for quite some time and I could not find it in the stores. So I've heard great things about this. So I went ahead and bought myself this one, even though it's a little bit pricey. I thought it's necessary for my skin and I really love how cleansing balms, cleansing oils works. So I went ahead and bought myself this one. So the next thing what I got is from the brand Color Bar. It's their newly launched all day waterproof eyeshadow stick. So I have it in the shade Denim 003 and Fairy 001. So that is how Denim 001 looks like. It's a beautiful denim kind of a color. It's very pigmented and I've already used it and I must say I'm really impressed with the quality and the staying power of this one. And the next shade is in Fairy 001. That is how Fairy 001 looks like. It's a beautiful highlight shade. It will be perfect for highlighting your inner corners, your brow bone, your the bridge of your nose and Cupid's bow. So I've not tried it as a highlight for my face and I'm sure it's going to work really beautiful because it's a nice champagne kind of a color. They do have many other shades as well which looks very nice. So I'm planning to go back and get few of them as well. So the next thing what I got is from the brand Lakme. It's their rose powder with sunscreen. So it's in the shade Soft Pink. So this is how it looks like and it's a loose powder. I've heard really good things about this. So I bought this for using it as a baking powder to set the under eyes. So I have I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but I've heard really good things about this, that it works as a setting powder as well. That's why I bought it. So the next thing which I bought is a mason jar which looks like this. So I've heard a lot of YouTubers using this and I've seen and heard a lot of YouTubers using this. So they had many other colors like the red one, the green one, and I thought the blue one looked really pretty. So I've been using this for drinking juice and mocktails and stuff like that, and I think it's really cute. What do you guys think? Do let me know. So along with that I got I'm not sure if you call this a mason jar, but I thought it's really pretty. I mean, I really love how huge it is and I really love the pink design and the design. It looks like it's broken but it's not. It's a design. It's a really beautiful. You can also use it as a showpiece, but I use it to drink my juice and stuff like that, and I absolutely love this. It's beautiful. They have it in one more color which is blue. That is also really beautiful, but I picked up this one because I found it really girly and really pretty. So the next thing which I got is again a new launch from L'Oreal. It's from their Cannes collection. It's the Infallible Silky Pencil. So they have it in many shades. I got myself around 5 of them and I'm planning to get the rest as well because I'm totally in love with it. From the color to the pigmentation to the staying power, it's amazing, and I'm planning to do a video or maybe a blog post on this because I've been really loving it and using it a lot. I'll just show it to you guys a few of the colors as to how beautiful and highly pigmented it is. So this is how the silver one looks like. It's really beautiful, and guys, this is just one swipe and that's it. and once it sets, it's quite difficult to remove it. I would highly suggest you guys to remove it using an oil-based makeup remover. So this is how the teal one looks like. I'm absolutely in love with this color. So I've been playing with these colors a lot, and I really love it. The next thing what I got is a highlighter from MAC. It's their MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder. It's in the shade Nuanced. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. I'm a big fan of their baked highlighters. I already have the soft and gentle one, and I really love it. So this one is a rose gold kind of a highlight. That is how it looks like. It's really, really beautiful. So the next product what I got is from the brand Freedom. It's their Pro Contour Stick. So that is how it looks like. It's got like a highlight shade on one side and a contour shade on the other side. This is in the shade medium. They had only two shades, light and medium, so I picked up the medium one. So one side they have the highlight shade and the other side the contour shade. So that is how it looks like. The highlight shade looks pretty good, but the contour shade is a little bit light, I guess, but I am sure I can work with it and use it as a light contour on my face. However, I would prefer a little more darker one. Nevertheless, will work with it. Next thing what I got is again from the brand Freedom. It's the Freedom Eyebrow Pomade. It's an ash brown. It's a dark brown color. I've already used it and I've been really loving it. They say it's a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, eyebrow pomade. So I don't have it, so I can't compare it to that one. However, I'm planning to buy that one. So as of now, this is what I've bought. The thing what I've got is few lip colors from the brand Revlon. It's their newly launched Revlon Ultra HD Matte color. So I've got 3 shades from that, and even though it says it's a matte color, it is not. It's kind of a velvety matte color, but I really love how it smells. This is the first shade what I got. It's in the shade Seduction. That is how it looks like. It's a beautiful pinky nude kind of a color. And the second shade what I got is HD Love. Okay, it's just Love. That's how the shade Love looks like. It's a beautiful orangey kind of a red color, which I absolutely love. The last shade what I have is called Devotion. This is how Devotion looks like. It's a beautiful pinky, dark pink, corally kind of a color, which is absolutely stunning. So again, I got a lipstick from L'Oreal. It's in the shade Maple Mocha. That's what I'm wearing on my lips, and I've been wearing it non-stop. I absolutely love how the shade looks. It's a nice orangey kind of a brown color. So the next thing what I got is again a lipstick from Revlon. It's their Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick. It says matte, but I would say it's a creamy matte kind of a color. It's in the shade Delectable. Again, it's a beautiful, beautiful shade. It's somewhat similar to the L'Oreal one, but I would say it's a darker shade. So lately I've been obsessed with this kind of color, Kylie Jenner kind of lip color, that is a brown mauve kind of a color, and I've been totally loving it. And the last lipstick which I've got is again from the same range, that is Revlon Super Lustrous Cream Lipstick. That's in the shade Chocolate Velvet. That is how Chocolate Velvet looks like. I hope you guys can see. That's a weird place to swatch. Again, it's a pinky brown kind of a color, which I've been absolutely loving. So the next thing what I got is from the brand L'Oreal again. So it's the L'Oreal True Match Genius 4-in-1. I absolutely love the packaging of this. I guess it's a newly launched product because I've not seen anyone talking about in social media or their official website. So it says it's a 4-in-1 primer plus foundation plus concealer plus powder. So I'm in the shade Gold beige, and I've been really loving this. This is like, if you put this on your skin, it looks like you have nothing on your skin. It looks like you're glowing from within, and your skin looks very clear. Doesn't look like you have any foundation. It just looks like your skin. So that's the best part what I like about it, and I've been recently using this a lot. Yeah, I really love this thing. What I got is a pair of falsies from the brand Ardell. It's their natural one, which looks like this. As you guys know, I'm not a big fan of falsies because it makes me feel like that my eyes are very heavy, and so, but then, you know, falsies give a different effect altogether to your eyes. It makes it more beautiful. So I thought I should just start wearing it, or at least try. So I just got myself this one, and let's see how it works for me. So the last thing what I got is from the brand Body Shop. It's their newly launched British Rose collection. So I have the body butter, and I have the shower gel as well, and I'm absolutely loving this. I've bought this and I've already used it as well. I love the packaging of this, and I love how it smells and feels on my skin. So yeah, that's it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this small haul, and let me know if you guys want any review on any of these, and let me know if you guys have used any of these products, and did you like them or not. So that's it for my small haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.